Thank you for trusting Smith Blair. Please abide by all local, state, and federal safety requirements and regulations when installing any Smith Blair product. Follow all OSHA guidelines. Please use proper tools and personal protective equipment when installing Smith Blair products. Today we will present an installation guide for your Smith Blair full circle repair clamp. This video uses the 226 for demonstration. Make sure that all parts are present and that nothing has been damaged during shipping or storage. Installation instructions can be found in the carton containing the clamp. Always read these carefully. Using a pie tape, measure the outer diameter of the pipe. Compare this to the range printed on the clamp. Thoroughly clean the pipe where the clamp will be installed. Mark the pipe in both directions a measured distance from the center of the damaged area or break. Lubricate the gasket and the pipe. Do not use pipe soap or grease. Lubricant should be suitable for your application and compatible with the pipe type. Place the clamp around the pipe, centered over the damaged area, with the gasket flap at the top. Tuck the gasket flap in place and mesh the lug fingers. Engage the centermost bolt in the open slot lugs and hand tighten. Rotate the clamp away from the gasket taper to ensure proper seating of the gasket. Position the bolts and nuts for convenient tightening. Tighten the nuts working from the center outward to the recommended torque values. The use of a properly calibrated torque wrench is required. Torque specifications can be found on the installation instructions. Thanks for watching our video. For questions or concerns, you can contact us at 1-800-643-9705 or visit us online at www.smith-blair.com.